I know you might not agree with me, but for me, this is the Luis Enrique project. For me, how did you build this team?
When I arrived to the club 2 years ago, with my own idea and the idea of Luis Campos and the president Nasser Al-Khelaifi, tried to build a different team with a different perspective and different mentality, trying to play as a team, not with the strong of a real team, and it's going to be difficult and at the same time easy to do when you work with Luis Campos or Nasser Al-Khelaifi, trying to get new players. And in that moment, I think we are achieving things that we even could dream, but at the same time, it's we need to go step by step and try to get that that match, like the Champions League final, as a goal. I try to win it.